Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my UBank review. We are going to be taking a close look at UBank in this review, and also, most importantly, I've put together some high value custom bonuses for you to get the best results with UBank. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. UBank goes live on the 24th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern time. So this is a cloud-based software. This gives you access to a content site builder that is monetizable, and one of the things I actually love about UBank is it allows you to do this not just for yourself, but you can actually offer this on platforms like Fiverr and create websites for other people without you being a professional website developer. So it allows you to create websites, maybe with WordPress styled websites. In that case, you're going to upload a plugin to your WordPress installation, or just enter your domain name straight up. Now, let me click on create website. Now, what you need to do is to first of all select a website here. Let me go to manage websites to start with. The first thing you want to do is actually click on create website, and then you either select if it's a WordPress website you want to create or a website just with custom domain. Now you need to add your domain name here, and all you need to do here is, let's say your website is mywebsite.com, and then you need to select the template style you want to use. Let's say you want to use template 2. Now upload your website logo, add your contact email, and add a short about you content for your website, and then you can actually start downloading. You can actually save your website. Eventually you'll be able to download this template, which you can go and upload in the public directory of your website. Now here you are going to be able to add your Facebook profile, Instagram profile, Twitter profile, stuff like that. If you have opt-in form code to generate leads from maybe Aweber or GetResponse, you can come and paste that here, which is pretty cool. Now, not only that, you're going to be getting access to training that shows you here how to go about doing everything, how to set your website up, how to create your website, and how to do that. Now, I'm going to be showing you the custom bonuses that I've carefully prepared for you to get you the best results with UBank. My first bonus is a traffic generating bonus. You're going to be getting access to the pro version of Virafig that allows you to send traffic from other people's video to any link, any affiliate link. This allows you to put your link on these videos in form of images. You can actually add opt-in forms. You can add buttons on these videos and make them show up at any point in time during these videos. And then when people actually click on these images or these links on these videos, it's going to take them to whichever link you are actually specified. So this allows you to use other people's video, and this does not require you to create any content at all. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to my list of over 800 subscribers that you can actually use to start making money within the next 24 hours. In addition to that, you're going to be getting access to an autoresponder software that allows you to mail and manage your lists. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to the full version, the full funnel of Octagon. Octagon is a cloud-based traffic software that gives you access to done-for-you product reviews, Warrior Plus, ClickBank product reviews, and then shows you how to drive some high-quality free traffic, including free traffic actually built into the cloud-based software. You are also going to be getting access to done-for-you funnels that allow you to make money and build your list 100% on complete autopilot with free traffic using affiliate marketing. Also, bonus number 4, you are going to be getting access to done-for-you custom affiliate marketing squeeze page templates that you can start using today to make money even if you are completely new with affiliate marketing. This also includes training on how to do that. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to automated Quora traffic software that allows you to drive free traffic from Quora on complete autopilot. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and quotes that are ready to go to start using on your website to start driving the free traffic. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator and delivery software with done for you bonuses to attract and engage your audience and start making conversions, start making affiliate sales instantly. Also, bonus number 8, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own website yourself. Let's say you don't have any experience at all with website creation, or you want to start creating websites and actually start selling these, start offering this as a gig on marketplaces like Fiverr and start making money with these. I'm going to show you how to do that in this training. And of course, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to bonus number 9, you'll be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, and there's a ton of them. UBank mobile apps marketplace, UBank landing page management system, viral coupons for Facebook. There's a ton of them. These are just a few. Mobile device detect. There's a ton of bonuses you're going to be getting from the vendors. All these ones are going to be waiting for you in your members area of UBank. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your members area of Warrior Plus. Once you log into Warrior Plus, just go to your purchases, you'll find UBank, and you'll find my own bonuses right next to it. And how to claim all these bonuses is to click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of UBank, where you're going to be able to pick up UBank. Now, I need to mention that this actually gives you access to build automated AdSense sites. These are automated and these are monetized websites that allow you to start making money instantly. So here it says, automate AdSense sites 24/7. No need to do any boring manual work. Tired of hustling? Your cure is right here. How we build automated AdSense sites with self-updating viral content that generated $127,890 in less than 6 months. No selling required, but you still get paid. Works even on very saturated niches. No recurring fees for you. The video goes live. This goes live on 24th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern time. So feel free to come check out the proof of results also on this sales page. So even if you have zero experience with making money online, you've never made a dime online, I do believe this is something you want to take a look at. Especially, I'm actually giving you bonuses that allow you to start getting paid real commissions with affiliate marketing within the shortest possible period. So come check this out in your own time to get full information about UBank. So once again, this is pretty easy to use. There's no learning curve. You get access to your ad manager here that allows you to add new advertisements to your existing website. So you can actually select the website you have created before, select that website, select your advertisement position. You can see you have different types of position. And just to let you know, this is an example website that was created by UBank. Feel free to check this out. This is an example website that was actually created by UBank, which is pretty cool. You know, you can actually start offering this kind of website as a service and get access to self-updating website with RSS feed content, which is pretty cool. You don't need to keep working yourself up and down every day to get content and to get traffic to your website. All you need to do is set this up once, and this allows you to keep getting paid even without any further work or any prior experience. So I'm going to show you the pricing right now. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, and this gives you access to create up to 5 different websites. You get access to all these features, 50 RSS content syndication, always get fresh content on the website, totally hands-free mode, unlimited content spinning to produce 100% unique content that drive massive traffic, SEO friendly, and AdSense compliant. Includes list building functionality with opt-in forms that sync to any autoresponder. First optional upgrade is the unlimited version. You get access to the unlimited site license. Users can create unlimited income sites as they want. OTO1 goes for $37, OTO2 goes for $47, and you get access to 300 additional premium sources to let users create even more powerful niche site, advanced templates for custom sites in any category, all in one authority site, and get all this good stuff. OTO number 3 is the ultimate traffic that goes for $47, and this gives you access to unlimited access to special and free traffic tool. Get unlimited free traffic to your authority site or your other sites that you have. OTO number 4 is done for you sites. 10 completely done for you viral sites built for you. Fastest and easiest way for anyone to make passive income. You can instantly launch up to 10 viral traffic sites. Make 10x profit with AdSense, with Taboola, with Outbrain, Megid, and MGID, and so on. So feel free, come check out this bonus page in your own time to get full information. Once again, you are going to find the link to this bonus page in the description of this video. So that's going to be my review of UBank. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this review, and it's bye for now.